Menu bar apps live in the top right corner of your Mac screens. In this video, we are gonna show you 10 brilliant Mac menu bar apps. Please do subscribe if you're new on this channel. So without further ado, let's get started. This tiny utility seems to have been forever. It's useful for ejecting drives from the menu bar, one at a time or all at once. Battery health tells you everything you need to know about your Mac's battery. That include how long it will last with the current charge and the status of its health. The info section of the app has a few tips that show you how you can make your Mac's battery last longer. The makers of the popular window management app Moom have a few other useful applications for you. Resolutionator is one of them. It makes switching screen effortless. You will see a list of all your displays with nested menus, showing the resolutions available to each of them. Don't forget to try the app before buying. Install Clocker to stay up to date on time zone information. You can also even add notes and create reminders with this app. If you appreciate the icon hiding functionality for menu bar apps and willing to pay for some advanced features, then get Bartender. You won't regret it. The application comes with an app search feature and hotkey supports among other things.
If you rely more on mouse clicks than keyboard shortcuts, you will appreciate the convenience of an app launcher that lives in the menu bar. XMenu gives you access to all your folders, applications, music, movies, and even text snippets. It's been quite a while since the app saw an update, but it seems to work without a glitch even on High Sierra. Amphetamine keeps your Mac's display awake, and a lot more besides. You can set it to work when specific apps are active, when your Mac's battery drops below a certain preset, when it's a certain time of the day, and so on. If you like extreme control over your apps, you will love this one. Multitasking can kill your mental energy. Switch to automated single tasking with Hocus Focus. You can set the app to hide your inactive windows after a preset time or every time you switch to a different app. Hocus Focus allows you to set custom timers for each open application. Wish you could quit applications after a certain interval instead of hiding them? Quitter can take care of that for you. It's one of those lesser known apps that work wonders for your productivity. You can also hide apps with Quitter if you want to. Vox is a sleek and fast music player that you can hide in the menu bar. Install the Vox extension for media controls if you want to control music with the media buttons on your Mac's keyboard. With this extension, you can also set the app to open when you press the play or pause key.